Well, this is Karen from God Oil Supplies coming to you live to do a demo today. The first of the month, we launched our new subscription box, and that is, show you what this looks up close, is the Aromatherapy Twist Carrier Oil Sticks. We have these brand new twist tube bottles that go perfectly with these carrier oil sticks. I'm not sure if you're familiar with carrier oil sticks. They're pretty cool. It's a great way to apply essential oils with a carrier oil for safety, but in a solid form. So we're going to create a solid carrier, and you can customize. In this box, you get 8 different tubes. There's 8 different recipes. Right now, I'm going to do the base formula for the carrier oil stick. We like to call them aromatherapy twists. You just add essential oils to the base formula. And what's cool about it, I have one that's already done. You can see that this is a solid. That's a solid formula. But with the heat of your skin, you can apply that, do a swipe, and that's going to get the essential oils and the carrier oil onto your skin. Pretty cool. So that is just a little bit of a preview of what it's going to look like. So I'm going to turn my heat back on, and we're going to create a double boiler situation. I just like to use a Pyrex, a small one that I can put right into a boiling pot of water, and I like the Pyrex because I can easily pour the formula, the solution. So let's get started. This calls for the base formula. It's only going to be making enough for one. So if you end up getting the set and you want to make all 8, of course, you would just times this by 8 and you'll have the right amount. But you're going to be needing 2 tablespoons of beeswax, 3 tablespoons of shea butter, 1 tablespoon of jojoba, 1 tablespoon of almond oil, sweet almond oil. Now this is a 2-ounce twist tube, so that's what this formula is accommodating. And then once you've created your formula, at the end, that's when you would apply the essential oils. So I'm just going to put this right in my boiling water. Get started with my beeswax. Do 2 tablespoons. You can use white or yellow pellets. There's 2 right in there. Now, this one's a pretty forgiving recipe, so I'm not going to measure out. You can do this by ounces, but I'm not going to measure out the shea butter. I'm just going to be pressing that right in there. Just going to do a little help. 1. You can easily get shea butter and beeswax from Amazon or online stores, a lot of health food stores. I like to order mine online on a regular basis because I use quite a bit. So there I have my 3. I'm going to let these 2 melt down before I'm going to wait till these 2 solids melt down, and then I'll add my carrier oils of almond and jojoba. So I'm getting lots of waves. Thanks everybody for joining. Hi, thank you. While this melts, I'm going to tell you another little tip that I like to do to create twists. So we have, of course, these awesome twist tubes, 2 ounces. Love them. But you can also create these with chapstick tubes. Now we have probably the best chapstick tray ever because it's made of silicone. You pop these guys in there, and they don't fall out. They stand. Well, you have to balance these, but when you pour those in, it stands right up really nicely. And anyways, so the chapstick tubes. You can make a set of, this solution will create, I believe, 10 chapstick tubes. So you can make little tiny ones. So you can have one for an immunity stick, a fast asleep. This one's a sleep carrier oil stick. This one, the sleep ones are awesome because you can create a nighttime routine of putting it on the bottom of your feet or putting a little bit on your chest and then just smelling those oils, and just it's perfect. Breathe away, but now that one can be really similar to like a Vicks vapor rub, where you would put this carrier stick and just rub it right on your chest, and you can even put it in over your sinuses and just breathe it in. Wonderful. We have Skin Smooth. We also created a natural deodorant, which is awesome. A Calm and Relax, just a blend that just helps bring in some calm and relaxation to your life if you're having some stressful moments. A Smooth Heal. Now this one's a favorite. So I will create this, rub this on my bottom of my feet, put socks on, smooth feet. It's amazing. I love it. But little tip is you can make these large ones 2 ounce, but you can also make smaller ones out of chapstick tubes. So Aromatherapy Twists. Too much fun. And this is getting nice and melted. Give it a little encouragement with some stirring. Now it's the shea butter is almost completely melted. It's just some of the beeswax that's still melting down. In our with these aromatherapy twists, you're going to have all the recipes in this kit, all the recipes with the essential oils suggestions. There's a recipe for natural deodorant, and there's also instructions on how to mini aromatherapy sticks is what we call them, and using chapstick tubes. So that's all on this recipe sheet. This box is so cool, you guys. It's the last one. It's the last subscription box of the year. We have been hard at work thinking of new and fun ones for next year. So we already have 12 in store, and it's just, I think you guys are going to be just as thrilled with next year's as you have been with this year's. But again, this is the last one of this year, and we do not disappoint because we always try to bring you the newest and coolest things, and these twist tubes are nothing just short of fun to use and easy to use. They're portable, and they just have that it's nice to have carrier oils, right? And it's nice to have roller bottles, 10 ml roller bottles, but these just solid, they just apply so nicely, and you can just use them for different reasons. Like I'd mentioned, for the heels, a heel balm, like a Vicks Vapor Rub one, they're awesome. Okay, it's all melted down. I'm gonna turn this heat off. One tablespoon of my almond. One tablespoon of my jojoba. I don't know how hot this is. Get this right off. Give this a final little, it's still a little warm. Give this a final stir. Okay, it's perfectly melted. Now this is the point where I would add my essential oils. So if we were going to do, and you can also have just a regular carrier oil stick, which is without essential oils, and you can do a swipe of the carrier and then put oils down on your skin, and that helps protect your skin as well. It helps, as you know, the carrier oils are practically named because they not only help protect your skin from irritation and sensitivity, but they also help carry and drive the essential oils into your body. They help assist that without having the essential oils evaporate before they penetrate your body. So if we were going to be doing the smooth heals, I'd be adding 30 drops of tea tree to this, 20 drops of copaiba, and 10 drops of peppermint. So that's at this point is where you'd be adding the essential oils. You just don't want to cook with the essential oils just because of the evaporation, and you just don't want to do, it just helps so you don't lose the effectiveness and therapeutic value of the essential oils. Okay. Got my twist tube all the way down. Right-handed. There we go. Pour that right in. Now I'm not gonna, you can see it goes all the way to the top, fills it nicely. Ooh. See that pretty color? Nice and full. Put this right on, let that sit. It's gonna take, to cool down, doesn't take more than about a half hour. You can assist it with putting it in the refrigerator to cool down. But this is ready to sit, and within like an hour or so you're to be able to use it. It's pretty cool. Now, again, let me show you what it looks like when it's all solidified. The heat of your skin softens that up, and that is a nice smooth solution. Just rub that right on your skin. You can rub it right on your chest. So many different, just so many different applications. Just another wonderful way to use your essential oils. Again, you can use these awesome mold tray for chapstick when you're creating these. These make such a good gift. I was thinking that it'd be pretty fun we have these awesome bags, clear. How fun would it be to be able to make a set of 8 of these for a gift? And you'd have a set of 8 aromatherapy twists right in a bag, really pretty and a way to be on the go. So those are some fun ideas. I'm already looking at this. This is already solidifying as it's cooling. It starts low and then grows higher. You guys, I hope you take advantage of this last subscription box. Sign up for it. Get this box. For those of you who already have the box, I'm excited to hear how it goes when you make it and how much you enjoy using it. Anyways, hope you enjoy. Thanks for joining today. And as always, hope you guys are healthy and happy, and we'll catch up next time. Bye.